are the dreamers becoming the doers, standing at the beginnings of an evolution. When I look in your eyes, I can see the future. I know change starts with a better me. Time to be courageous, so I'm digging deep, planting seeds for the trees I may never see. Cause I'm not alone, I'm a link in a legacy. It's time to raise the volume of the voiceless, lift them up high as a falsetto. I won't settle till we all level, cause moving the mountain starts with a handful of small pebbles. Revolution's never perfect, but it's worth it. We gon' cultivate the culture from the dirt. Yeah, it's hard to be a leader, but the fearless go first. I came to meet the words with the work. It's time to be the power, time to be the change. I'ma light the torch, I'ma carry the flame, and we can be the spark of a trail blazing. It starts right here, it starts right now. It starts with me from the inside out, cause we can be the spark of a trail blazing. Let's go, yeah. It's time to take ownership in the portrait. We writing the narrative and controlling it. Time to pass the pen to another hand, cause power's the power to let go of it. Standing in the mirror facing my reflection, trying to see it clearer so I ask questions. How can I be the action? How can I be the message? How can I be the step in the right direction? In the right direction. It's time to be the power, time to be the change. I'ma light the torch, I'ma carry the flame.